Today we are going to talk about the new Quick Mask AI in On1 Photoraw 2023. Hi everyone, my name is Eddie, welcome to my channel On1 Photoraw Creative Photography, and today we are going to talk about the new Quick Mask AI. Where to find the Quick Mask AI? You can find it in the masking brush just there, and the Quick Mask AI is just here. You can select it, and as you may know before, with the Quick Mask AI, you have to draw a green line to keep a part of an image, and in the contrary, you have to draw a red line to erase a part of the image. Now it's finished, because before it was time consuming. Now with a new masking system in the On1 Photoraw 2023, you have just to select the part you want to keep. For example, you click done, and boom. As you can see, it's quicker than the previous version. If you want to reset the layer properties, you can do it over the same. You can go back to the masking brush. You have to select again the Quick Mask AI. You select the sky, for example, in Paint in, and you click on Done. And here you go. You can refine the mask or the sign with the refine tools, as you can see just there, and you can find all the masking tools in this area. Of course, we have a perfect brush if you want to use it too. We are going to reset the layer properties. Don't forget, if you want to erase a part of an image, the method change too. You have to select the Quick Mask AI. You can select the sky, for example, and here you have to go to Paint Out. You have to go to Done. And voila, it's gone. And this is a new features on On1 Photoraw 2023. I remind you, it's always the beta version. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.